Hey, what's up YouTube? Here's another space, planet, universe, painting, whatever you want to call it. So this one I actually wanted to try and add some texture to my planets and everything, but we'll get to that towards the ending of the video. But so basically what I do for most of my paintings is I start with painting the whole canvas black, then add kind of a background to it before I start adding the planets. So for the texture I try to use Gesso. I'm not exactly sure how to say it, but I watched a couple of videos about using this for texture, and I figured this was worth a try. So I tried to add some sort of texture on the planets, and it actually came out decent, I guess. So I tried to let it dry a bit before, of course, adding the paint and everything. But normally when I paint planets on my stuff, it's the black paint is still kind of wet, so I usually just blend it all together. But since I waited for the gesso to dry, it kind of threw everything off just a bit. So I kind of had to mess with it a little bit, but overall I actually liked the way it came out. It was just a learning experience, I guess, you know. After doing the planets, I didn't really like the way this left corner looked, so I decided to just go ahead and add a couple stars and throw some more darker paints in here to try to fix it, because it looked like a mess, really. And most of the time, you know, I'm just freestyling, you know, so it's I paint something. If I don't like it, I paint over. If I don't like it, I paint over again, and it's a never-ending cycle, but eventually you'll come to something that you actually enjoy, you know. So trial and error. So this is what it ended up being, and you really can't see the texture from the video. I try to get a good little angle on here, but you really still can't see much of it. Another thing I realized is I wish I would have used a brighter base, so when I scrape with my little tool on the planet, it'll stick out. But yeah, of course, like I said, this is the first time I tried to use Gesso, whatever, for my planet texture. So yeah, next painting definitely will be a little more thought out, I guess. Please like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. If you have any tips, tricks, anything really will help. Thank you.